And now, next up at the Innovation Hub, we have Nigel Games from Cavus Accessories. Nigel's an e-commerce manager who just moved to the United States to introduce people to the possibilities of Cavus in mounting audio and video accessories. Take it away.
Thank you. Good afternoon, everybody. Before I start today, I want to share a small anecdote with you. Because like one of my biggest concerns here in the US is my wife is American. We were invited to one of our friends' houses. And as you might know, you get a tour and you go around and, oh, look at my new TV. It's hanging all the way up there, almost against the ceiling. So while I was sitting down and I was like chatting with my friends and I took another look at that TV, I was like, wow, that's hanging really high. And of course, my friend, he's like a DIYer. He's like, I can do it myself. And I could definitely see that because the soundbar was all the way on the ground, you know, like on a on a small TV stand. But what I'm trying to say is like, why didn't they ask me as like an expert on doing this for some advice? And that's actually why I'm here today. My name is Nigel Games. I'm e-commerce manager at Cavus International. First of all, this is my first time exhibiting here at CEDIAExpo. So I want to thank CEDIAExpo for this opportunity, a very exclusive opportunity for us to present ourselves. I was born and raised in the Netherlands. That's where I come from. I moved to the United States just like half a year ago in Miami. So that's a little bit far away from here, but it's doable. I'm working for Cavus International. They've been around the US for almost 10 years now. We started out making some mounts for Sonos equipment. And while we were doing that, we saw that there is a very nice gap in the market for premium solutions for these kinds of equipment, for these brands. So Cavus, where did they come from? As I said, it's the Netherlands. It's an internationally recognized brand. Our core business is making products specifically designed for your brand. So as I already mentioned, Sonos is one of them, but we also do Bose, we do Yamaha, Denon, Harman Kardon, and so on and so on. And we also do the products, the brands where we don't have any stands for. So like we're coming here today not only to like present a product to you, but also to ask you and ask you for your expertise on what is the kind of brand you are looking now to put onto the market. Well, as I said, in those years, our products became more popular and sales were going up. But competitors also came with similar products. So yes, we are here today to try to put those products on a higher level and give you premium products and a bigger range of products. Let's talk about our business, because our business is your business. And you have the experience to know like what the customer is looking for. And we have the experience to create the products that your customer needs. So let's co-create that product the customer needs. Don't take satisfaction with a universal mount or something that fits everything, because it's so important that if you want to give a premium solution, that it's something that fits the product as it's made, you know. just help us understand the market and come talk to us. We're at booth 25116. And we'll be gladly to have you over, talk about it. We Dutch people are also very fun to talk to, so come on over. Our corporations, we see our cooperation as a partnership. So just make sure that whenever you come over, it's not only like, oh, we're giving you something that we have. We want to do something together. Next to that, we want to give personal advice. So we love to pass on the experience and knowledge that we have on installing home theater systems. And we specialize in a variety of brands, as I already said. So we can always offer premium solutions to mount on the wall, on the floor, or on furniture. And our main goal is to make products that are made of high quality material, to design products that blend into your interior, and to make installing as easy as possible to achieve a clean look. Next to that, we build trust and we give advice to our partners. And you just have the greatest listening and viewing experience that you can get in your home. As you can see, these are the three solutions that we have: on the wall, on the floor, and on the furniture. Our products, it's everything you need to install a TV, soundbar, or speaker. So we have a wide variety of TV wall mounts, floor stands, furniture stands, and also a hybrid solution, which I come back onto a little bit later. On the presentation, you can see the different brands that we have solutions for currently. But also, as I already said, if you want to come over to us and you have a particular brand in mind, we can always talk about that to also create that. We also create accessory holders, cable socks to hide media boxes, Sonos amps, and other cables. As I already said, we have one particular product where we're very proud of. And we're standing at the Innovation Hub, so the Cavus Hybrid 120. I think in the US it should have called the Hybrid 47, but that's just because it's 47 inches. And in Europe we have the centimeters. But this is an actual out-of-the-box solution. And why? Because this is a hybrid version of a wall mount and a TV stand. So no drilling holes. You put the TV mount against your wall, and it will make sure that your TV can be mounted against your wall without damaging the walls. And this is how it will look as the end product. But wait, there's more. We have a huge assortment of products you can choose from. And we have TV mounts, we have the wall mounts, but we also have TV stands. As a conclusion, I think, let's just talk about working together, because you know probably better than us. So please come over to our stand, booth 25116. We can have a chat and we can see if there's anything that we can co-create, just to make sure that we can build the best mount that there is right now. Our goal is to work with you and that our product meets the exact specifications that your customer needs. Okay, thank you.